Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of aquarium plants with focus on one of my personal favorites, pearlweed. If you're looking to add vibrant greenery to your tank, you're in the right place. Stick around as we explore everything you need to know about caring for pearlweed. Before we dive into the details, let's highlight the 5 key takeaways that you should remember after watching this video. Pearlweed is incredibly versatile and can be used in various aquascaping styles, from creating lush carpets to adding height to your background. Its adaptability makes it a fantastic choice for both beginners and experienced aquarists alike. One of the great things about pearlweed is its ease of propagation. Through simple techniques like stem cutting and replanting, you can quickly expand your pearlweed population and fill out your tank with lush greenery. Ideal conditions to ensure optimal growth. Pearlweed thrives in moderate to high lighting conditions and nutrient-rich substrates, maintaining stable water parameters including a pH range of 6.5 to 7.5 and temperatures between 72 degrees and 82 degrees Fahrenheit is crucial for its health and vitality. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, pearlweed plays a vital role in enhancing water quality by oxygenating the tank and absorbing harmful substances like nitrates and ammonia. Adding pearlweed to your aquarium can contribute to a healthier aquatic ecosystem for your fish and other inhabitants. Let your creativity flow when incorporating pearlweed into your landscape. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist wagumi layout or a lush jungle-inspired tank, pearlweed can be used to create stunning underwater landscapes that captivate the eye and provide a natural habitat for your aquatic friends. I hope you've enjoyed learning about pearlweed as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Remember, with the right care and attention, pearlweed can elevate the beauty of your aquarium and create a thriving underwater ecosystem for your aquatic friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more aquascaping tips and tricks. Until next time, happy planting.